Tired of client communication feeling like a juggling act with confidential information? Let's streamline that process by adding clients to your Basecamp projects, giving them access only to what they need to see. First things first, navigate to the Basecamp project where you want to add your client. This is the specific workspace you will be sharing with them. Click on the project name to enter. Once inside the project, look for the Manage People option. It's usually located at the top right or within the project settings. Click on it. This is where you'll control who has access to the project. You'll now see an Add People button. Click on that, and you'll be presented with options to add either a team member or a client. Select Add a Client. A form will pop up where you can enter your client's information. Fill in their name, email address, and the company they represent. Double check the email address to ensure accuracy, as this is how they'll receive their invitation. Now, this is crucial. You'll see a list of different sections within your project, like to-dos, messages, and files. Carefully select only the sections that you want the client to have access to. Less is often more here, focusing on transparency without overwhelming them or compromising sensitive internal data. Review your selections one last time, making sure you've only granted access to the necessary areas. Once you're confident, click the Send Invitation button. Your client will receive an email invitation to join the project. Once they accept, they'll only see the specific sections you've granted them access to, simplifying communication and keeping your internal data safe and sound. Now you can communicate, collaborate, and complete projects with your clients easily.